Clink, clink, clink. It's not redundant. What the hell is wrong with you? Hey, why are you taking so long? We should have colored packages right now. We have a white and another white and another white. Those do not look colored to me at all. So I'm gonna make a script which will be called animate conveyor controller. Yeah, why not? Let's drop it here and we're going to serialize the names of the animation triggers, which will be red trigger, red first. And we'll talk what this does. This just does what you think it does. It triggers the correct blue trigger blue, private string green trigger. Let's see if it knows. Yeah, yellow. Okay. This will have a private animator on awake. We get the animator, and also just so we don't screw this up, type of not rigid body animator. God damn it. Okay. And we have it here. It all works. Now, let's make the script that handles input. And that will be a object called input handler. It doesn't matter where it is. It shouldn't have anything on it. Input handler. So when you're touching this wall, it will get the wall's color and it should fire an event to the animator control, animated conveyor, and just tell it which trigger to fire. So the input handler does a raycast where you touch with your mouse. Clink, clink, clink. And if it touches these walls, and these walls will have a layer on them, which will be delivery wall. Okay, and we have to have some color data on them. Color data will be a scriptable object. It's not a mono behavior, it's a scriptable object. It has private, now it's just gonna be some color name. I'm gonna encapsulate this one, just be able to get it. The color, the wall will have another script on it, and just call it delivery wall, like this. Place it on top. This will have a reference to the color data. Okay. And we'll be able to retrieve this color, and we're gonna make an interface. I get color. I'm so bad at naming interfaces, but this will have to do. Interface, and just it will have a function that will be returning a string green get color. Okay, so the delivery word is a monobehavior and also I color get a color. Let's implement this method and it does what? It returns the color data, color name. That's what it does. Now let's build some data. I said data, commander data. Let's build. Oops, I forgot to color data. Add some tags here for create awesome to have this order. Nah, whatever. That's irrelevant. I forgot what this tag here to be able to create from the menu. Color data. Red color data. Green, yellow, and blue. Green, blue, yellow. So just type yellow here. Red, green, grib, and blue. Right. And the delivery wall will have this color, but not the prefab. This one will have the blue color data. This one will have the green one. This one will have the yellow. And this one will have the red. Right, so we need to go back to the input handler, which we didn't assign it here. Let's do that. And the input handler on update, what does it do on update? It gets if. So when you're touching input, get mouse button down, 0 meaning left click. Oops. Yes, this is what I want. Array, camera main, screen, input mouse position, and if array physics raycast out hit, but I need to tell you more. Max infinity, and I need to tell you the layer. And the layer I'm only interested for this ray to collide with the delivery wall. So if I do this, it means I have a hit and I should be able to hit collider game. Whoa, no. Get component I get color var color get color, yes. And now I have the color of the wall. Now I need the reference to the animator to tell it set trigger, color. I need to make sure the animator triggers are written the same as, and they are not, as the text in the scriptable objects. Okay, let's show how we could do this without strings. So we return the hashes of the strings instead. So get color will be a string, and now it will explode because this returns an int. And get color name is a scriptable object. Also get the awake callback. So let's private int color hash equals animator string to hash color name, and this is what we'll be returning. Right. Why redundant? It's not redundant. What the hell is wrong with you? Let's see if this works. So hit play mode. I press on red, I press on blue, nothing happens. Why? These walls, they are all on default layer. And let's put them on the delivery wall first. So this is why the input wasn't working. Okay, parameter hash 0 doesn't exist, so this doesn't work here. On enable. Now it works. Oh, and it keeps doing that because it's all the animations are set to loop. We're gonna remove that. And this is what I wanted to fix. The transition is way too fast, so this will be fixed in each transition arrow, and the transition shouldn't be exiting transition duration. Transition duration, I think, should be almost all the length of the animation. God damn it, screwed it up. Let's see how it looks. Okay, and we can do this at runtime. Or maybe even, let's go to something insane like 1. The transition is the exact length of the animation. I think this is much better. Let's see how the packages behave when this animation happens. I have forgotten. Every time you have a collider like this here, the animated conveyor belts, that you move, rotate, or scale, you have to add a rigid body to that collider, because otherwise Unity's whole collision tree will have to be rebuilt, because it considers all the colliders without rigid bodies as static objects. And if you move them, now it's like, what the fuck? So it has to recompute the whole collision tree. So in order to avoid that, we need to add to each object as a parent here a rigid body, no gravity, and this is kinematic because we are moving it through an animation, translation, whatever. It's not supposed to be moved by physics forces. So we are manipulating it. And let's see what happens now. I want to see if the package is able to go up this steep-ish curve. Yeah. Whoops. Right, so I think we need to make the animations a bit longer. Red, blue, whatever. Let's 3 seconds. Maybe it's too much. This one was the blue one. Let's test this one first and see. So press yellow, blue, and to blue it goes. Yeah, I think it could work. I think it could work. Let's go to green. Do the same. Move it to 3 seconds. Red, 3 seconds as well. And yellow, 3 seconds. Woo! And we have a bit of a... Oh. You know, press red, it moves slowly. Doing. It managed to drop it. Package spawner. Right? So, where was the package? This one's package. Let's name it package. Package. Make a prefab out of it. And we have to remove it from the scene because it will be spawned by a package spawner. And we will have 2 package spawners. Package spawner. Let's drag it over here. Oh, I'm way off. On top of this. On top. So it just spawns an object. That object falls. Let's write a simple script to it. Package spawner. Hey, why are you taking so long? It's just a simple script. And this will have a reference to the package prefab. We'll also have a private float time between spawns. No, min spawn time. And it will have a max spawn time. So we're gonna make a coroutine, private enumerator, drop packages, and while true, you're gonna spawn forever. Where wait time is the random of k, yield return wait for seconds, and then instantiate a package prefab but transform position quaternion identity, but it will be as root, not as a child of this. And on the start method, I'm going to start this coroutine, drop packages. What's your problem? I cannot resolve. Oh, enumerator. This is it. Let's see. Let's get a reference to the package. 3 seconds, 7 seconds. We're gonna duplicate or make a prefab out of this, duplicated, and move it over this other. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. We should have some packages spawned. Ooh. They're dropping, they're coming. And we should deliver them somewhere. We need to color the packages, right? So, package color. Package color. Yeah, I know it should be a color handler. This will also inherit that interface. I get color and it will return. So we're gonna have a list of the scriptable objects that have the color names. Private list. Color data. Color data list. New. Right. So when you are spawned, you choose one random color. And on start, var, but the color data should also have the color. We're going to encapsulate this. I'm gonna get it. Color 1. Wait, why color 1? Var color equals random range of 0. No, it will be a color list of random range between 0 and count dot color. That's it. This will be the color, and we need to get the renderer awake. Renderer get component renderer, and this renderer material color, yeah. And when it returns, I need to store the index. Private int color index. And this will be this random thing right here. Oops. Replace it here, and I know the index, and when I get the color, I just return color data list of index, color index, color name. And it's not a name, it's a hash, but what can you do? Package. Package pusher, and it will also have another script called package color. Let's move this one up as well. The data list will be blue. Where is blue? Let's drag the green. Let's drag the red and the yellow. Dun, 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 dun. And we should have colored packages right now. We have a white and another white and another white. Those do not look colored to me at all. What the hell? Where is the package prefab? Hello, motherfucker. Ah, mistakes were made. We need to change the scriptable object color because they are all white. Green 0. This is red. Easy. Yellow. Somewhere around here. Okay. Now we should have colored packages. Please work, please work, please work. Where is the packages? Ah, too blue? That's a coincidence? No. We're getting them. We're getting them. Now, what else do we need to do? When a package touches the wall of the same color, it should disappear. Right? The wall will check who is touching it. So let's call it delivery checker. This will be a script that will sit on each colored wall. Okay. Delivery checker. This will also have the color data in it. Private color data, and on collision enter. If other game object, what the fuck? Try get component. I get color out. I need to tell it out. If we get this component, that means we have touched another package. Why not another wall? Because the walls are all static and they don't collide with each other. They don't trigger collision between themselves. And I get this color. And if color get color equals color data color, no color name, destroy other game object. Simple. And let's go to the walls. Red, yellow, green, that is green, and blue. Let's test how this works. Am I getting packages? I'm getting red packages. I need to move the delivery ramp towards red. And now blue. And they get stuck because the ramp is too steep. Go to red, go to red, go to blue. I'm dropping packages like crazy. No, green again. Come on, get pushed. Okay, quickly. Should that be also part of the challenge where the operator has to jolt the ramp to get stuck packages unstuck? So far we built a system where you can control the conveyor ramp to deliver the colored packages to matching walls. But this is very simple and it gets very boring very fast. So in the future, what I want to do is explore and expand on this idea. Maybe instead of having the colored walls as the destinations, maybe we could have other ramps that you could control further. Maybe we could have some ramps and other obstacles along the way. We could change the control scheme. Right now you just click on the colored walls, but maybe we have something like a joystick control where you have finer controls over the movement of the ramp. Maybe we find a way to better spawn the packages so two packages of different colors don't end up at the same time towards the destination. And maybe we have a progression challenge. Maybe we make increasingly difficult levels out of this one. Who knows? Stay tuned and we'll find out. And also feel free to comment below and maybe give me some ideas that you want me to see and try. Peace and have fun.